we'll guide you through how to make Watermark in Lightroom Mobile. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click Adobe Lightroom Mobile on your device to begin setting up a watermark for your exported photos. Once the application has launched, tap your profile icon to access your account and application settings. From the available options, open App Settings to manage Lightroom Mobile preferences. Inside the Settings menu, select Sharing Options to access the export and sharing preferences. Locate the Add Watermark option and enable it so Lightroom automatically applies a watermark to exported images. After enabling the feature, tap Customize to personalize the appearance of your watermark. Enter the watermark text you want to display on your exported photos. Make sure the text is accurate and represents the name or branding you want to use. Next, choose the watermark font that best matches your preferred style. Browse through the available font options and select the one that provides the appearance you want. After selecting the font, adjust the watermark size until it is clearly visible without covering too much of the image. Continue by setting the watermark opacity to control how transparent or solid the text appears. Adjust the opacity carefully so the watermark remains visible while allowing the photo underneath to be seen clearly. Next, position the watermark in your preferred location on the image, such as one of the corners or another area that does not distract from the main subject. Review the watermark placement and make any necessary adjustments until you are satisfied with its appearance. Once all customization has been completed, save the watermark settings to apply them automatically during future exports. Next, export the edited photo using your preferred export settings.